Hello friends, I'm Barry the Bull. Today we're answering one of the hottest questions in 2026. Which one should you buy? JEPI, JEPQ, or JGPI? Let's break it down together. First up is JEPI, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. It invests in stable S&P 500 companies and sells covered calls to generate high monthly income. Current yield is around 8 to 9%. It's the most stable and defensive choice. Next is JEPQ, JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF. It follows the Nasdaq 100 with lots of tech stocks. It offers higher yield, often 10 to 11% monthly, with more growth potential but also higher volatility. And finally, JGPI, JP Morgan Global Equity Premium Income ETF. This one spreads investments across the whole world. It gives great diversification and a solid monthly yield around 7 to 8%. Here's the quick comparison. JEPI for stability, JEPQ for higher income and tech growth, and JGPI for global diversification. All three pay monthly dividends and have low fees. So which one should you choose? It depends on your goals. Want safety and steady income? Go with JEPI. Want higher yield and tech exposure? Choose JEPQ. Want worldwide diversification? Pick JGPI. Many investors own a mix of all three. Smart investors always do their own homework. So take this as a starting point, not advice. Like, subscribe, and join me, Barry the Bull, for more market moves.